Olin. Guys, we are here in Kapo, and you know, you see the lights now. I see. Look at that. There is a light street. Lights, oh, there. That is a temple, no?
Yeah.
Small.
Lights for Dasara.
Yeah. How many days left? 2 days? 3 days? 2 days. 2 days.
2 or 3 days.
It will start temple.
There is
After 4 days, they have
big
take the statue and go in the beach.
in the beach.
Kapu beach.
Oh, okay.
Kangata.
They will put the what you call this statue in the beach,
In the water.
in the water.
Then you will see, oh my god, there's an elephant.
What?
This one new temple.
Oh, this one. You
Kapu Mariamma.
They built,
you've been there, no, Orlin?
yeah, when I was small.
Wait, you?
Went inside, you see from outside.
Aba, there is a long.
Mask.
Different color.
When it become dark, it become more brighter.
Wow. How many color, Orlin? Blue, yellow,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 40.
Come, Orlin. Rabbit. I will call you Rabbit. Rabbit. Come, Sanya. Orlin, come. We are here in Uchila place, Vijaya place, to see the lights.
And we are walking straight.
Yes, and my hair so messy.
I am here wearing.
Sanya, Orlin.
Bye, lazy, bye.
So we will see. Areko, we will see what is there. Some kind of, there is food, toys, and everything. Orlin, look. Wow, monkey there, Oh my god. Monkeys there before.
Oh my god.
Lime soda, some toys, banana. There. Welcome to Ujila. Uchila. Wow, mango.
Mama, see there. See there. Mama,
It's like a.
Mama, you see there.
This is the feast of Hindu people, guys. There are so many snacks. And look at that, this temple. Oh. Look at this temple. Some sweet.
Yes.
Oh, there is some balloons. Slowly. Wow, look at that. Oh my god. I'm amazed. Oh. Oh my god. Yes. Look at this, guys. See? Uy na! See, what is that? Oh, too much light. Look at that, guys. Too much light. So nice, guys. Boat. Ah, this one boat. Iniiwan nila yung ano, yung sleeper nila dito. Then pupunta sila sa loob ng temple. So nice. There's first aid also, and there is some ambulance. It's so nice, guys. All over the world there is some same like this. They have like you know, what you call that one? Every year this one. Too much people. So this is the temple. It's a big temple, guys. See, if Senol will come, he will enjoy. But yeah, one. That's all lights. Dada!
Dada! Apa?
Wow, Orlin, what is that? Look at this.
Look at.
It's a turtle. Look at the turtle.
Sitting for photo.
Ah, go there. Sit. Sit there. Come here, ah. Ah, stand there, stand there. Ah, stand. Kami video mama there. Ka, Sanya, go. Sanya, go. 1, 2, 3. Look. It's so nice, you see. Look at that. It's look like real. Take photo. Ah, coconut. Yeah. This one coconut, guys. They make paint and make decoration. Oh, see. Look at this, Vijay. See. Yeah. Wow. See, elephant. Where's Olin? Olin, look at the elephant.
I know, I already see.
Come on, come on.
That's fresh flowers.
Yeah.
They make only statue. Up they will put fresh.
And this one fresh.
All fresh.
Yes. Ah, yeah. And that one, what you call that one? Which? Bear. Orlen, where are you?
But their color is changed.
Become yellow. It's eagle, right?
Not eagle.
What?
Pigeon.
Pigeon. Wow, look at that. Different. See, if Stenol is here, he will enjoy. Look at that. That one, guys, is watermelon, and they make decoration. Look at that. It's very nice. Art. Become yellow, not brown. The color change. Look at here, Olena. Do not touch. Look at this, guys. One that is had the phone with the mobile. Look at that. Do not touch. Do not touch. Darang nga daw eh. Oh, fish.
Fish, cut the fish. Cut the
Fish.
Right? Cut the fish.
Another fish. There's toothbrush, toothpaste. And
We
turtle.
saw them.
Yeah. You know they have meanings.
Here is cut.
That's why yes. You have phone? Big mosquito. Where?
See the mosquito. Big mosquito.
The skeleton. See, look at that. Oh my god. Scary. Yes. See mosquito there, huh? I'm scared for that mosquito.
That mosquito always bites.
See? Sword. But I want to take photo this one, you know? The mosquito. See, look at this. Oh. Stag. See, look at... in the Hobbit. I saw elephant. See, look at that. Oh my god. Scary. See? Cora. There is chips. Oh my god. Eating pizza burger.
And banana.
Oh, see, look at that. Wow! Car made by fresh flower na. Look at that. See how they make. See? Nice.
It's for ready.
Yeah,
Fresh making.
yeah, he's making.